All right, everyone, welcome back. We're going to be going over equal highs. Now, equal highs can be seen also as a double top, and double top is a retail's favorite pattern to trade. So, the recent equal highs are so important is because they build up so much liquidity, not only from the structure standpoint, but we have the retail traders looking for that short on the neckline on a double top. It creates trendline liquidity. So you can imagine all the liquidity is up there, a lot, right? It turns into a liquidity pool. Then price eventually targets that. Right. So equal highs are formed again on every time frame. Not only one, but on every single time frame. And equal highs are most likely used as targets. So let's say, right, say we broke and price is something like this. These are equal highs. That just gives us the confidence that there's liquidity resting up there. That will be a target, right? For us, it's just extra confluence. It's not really a big deal. Again, like I mentioned, this is basic liquidity, but equal highs is simply a liquidity pool. That's how it is. There's traders that trade double tops. There's traders that have their buy stops, trend line, right? That's why equal highs are so powerful because they have liquidity resting above a huge pool of liquidity. But simple as that. That's it for now. On to the next one.